Alright, Jason. Here, take off your hat. So, how do you feel after your Gotslovsky's ring taken off or stretched out? How do you feel?
Pass that shit. Yeah.
You want to take a nap?
Oh, give me some money.
Where?
Facility.
Where?
Facility.
Say it louder, I can't hear you.
Put it down at the facility where I get to get deals. I'm gonna get pick up on me.
You gonna pick up what?
If it blows off me today, I have to get back and play that shit.
Wow, you want to sing a rap song right now?
Well, yo, I'm rolling with my nigga Nick. I just had some fucking guy go down my throat, but not like that. It went down my throat with a scope and a balloon, expanded my esophagus, so now I should be good. I'm no longer doomed.
Wow, that was pretty good.
Oh,
Pretty good, Jason.
yeah. It's called Drunken Monkey.
You feel drunk? Or are you just sleepy?
It's called Drunken Monkey.
Drunk and monkey.
Drunken Monkey.
Why don't you take your glasses off so you can see your eyes better?
No.
Why are you sleeping?
There you go.